Hi friends, today we are going to make chicken curry. Okay, come on, come on. So first we will check the ingredients. Ingredients.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
this is chili powder,
Chili powder.
turmeric powder,
Tomato powder.
coriander powder,
Cayenne powder.
pepper powder,
Pepper powder.
curry leaf,
Curry leaf.
garlic,
Garlic.
chicken masala,
Tikka masala.
ginger,
Ginger.
some onion,
Onion.
green chilies,
Green chili.
some salt,
Salt.
oil
Oil.
for garnishing,
Dancing.
chicken
Chicken.
and some water.
And the water.
Finish.
Finish.
So we are going to make it.
Okay.
So first, okay, we will pour some oil.
Oil.
We have to take the onion.
Onion.
Take it. Onion.
Onion.
Take the onion to
Two.
put the onions.
Onion.
We have to put the onions to the dish. Stir it well. Next, we will add garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic to
Garlic too.
this. Some more garlic. Next, we will add some ginger.
Ginger.
Add it.
Add it.
Add it well and mix it. Add it well and mix it. Mix. Next, we add green chili.
Green chili.
Mix it. Next, we add chili powder.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Add it.
Add it.
Now,
Now
we have to add
add
turmeric powder.
tomato powder.
Mix it. Add it. Add it. Next, we add coriander powder.
Coriander powder.
One more powder we have to add, that is pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Add it.
Add it.
Then we will add some curry leaf.
Curry leaf.
Stir it well. So it's done now. Now we have to add the chicken. Chicken. And add the chicken. Now we add the chicken and mix it well. Now We have to pour some water.
Some water.
Okay. Okay. It's enough.
Enough.
Then one more thing is left. The main thing. Some salt we have to add.
Some salt.
Add it. And mix it well.
Mix it well.
Okay. Wait for some time.
Time.
Tick, 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 tick. Wait for some time.
Time.
Yeah, now the chicken curry is ready now.
Ready now.
Yeah, it's done. It's all done.
All done.
Now we will transfer it to the plate.
Plate.
Okay. Okay. Little bit hot now.
Hot down.
So, okay. It's cool now. Transfer it to the plate. Transfer completely.
Completely.
Yeah. Now we will garnish it with some leaves. We'll garnish it with some leaves. Okay. Okay, some leaves. Then add. Yeah, garnish it with some leaf. The delicious chicken curry is ready now. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy.
So tasty.
The shorty.
Yeah, our delicious chicken curry is ready.
Ready.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Take care.
Take